Alright, so here's my PS1, and I'm going to show you that the disc tray is not reading correctly, or the laser. So here it is. I'm turning it on. You can see that I have Final Fantasy VII right here. It's original disc. System is turning on. There's no disc inside, so it's going to go to that menu. You can tell it's open. So let's put it in. There's a little hair in there from dogs. Great. Pop it in. It sounds like it spins up fine. Alright, so now moving the controller back and forth, and as you can tell, that comes up. So this is where I run into the problem where it doesn't work. This disc just forever spins up. Now there might be a super rare chance that it might work, but I have not run into it with this console. So that's why we're going to be replacing the laser. The link's in the description for the laser disc drive, so you can finish the rest of this video.
Alright, one of the first things you need is you're going to get your PS1. As you can tell, don't leave any games inside. Make sure there's no wires plugged in. Push the power button to get the power out. And you're going to need some tools. You're going to need a Phillips. Basically, you just use the Phillips, and you're going to need the part. The part, I had ordered it, and it is in here. So you're going to want to get it out of the plastic. So you just look at it. Make sure not to touch the laser, as you should never touch the laser for any of these drives, for anything. You can see it is one made in there. Ooh, brand new spanking, look at that. You could even see the little thing bounce in there. It is new, and this is what we're gonna be replacing. We're gonna get the old one out and put this new one in. So just put this to the side, make sure it doesn't fall, and we're gonna open it up. This is the easy part. There is Phillips, there's what, 6 of them. I don't believe there's any hidden in there, and you just get your tool and open it up. I know a lot of other consoles, they don't use Phillips, they use like special screws, and that makes it hard to fix things. So thankfully the PlayStation just uses household tools. We're gonna open this up, get them all open. I don't know if anyone's ever opened this one before. Now that you got the whole thing open, you're gonna want to flip it over. Make sure to hold it because it is gonna come off in 2 pieces. And this is how you take off the front. There's everything in here, all the goodness. I do have a sticky button here, so I might do that later for something else, fix that. So you put this to the side, and this is the insides of the PS1. You see it's a little dirty here. What went on in here? There's like spots, maybe someone spilled something. Yeah, so this one looks a bit different from the one I saw online. It's probably a different revision. The one I saw online is the wires are right here, the ribbon cable for the system to work, and I believe the power right here. So you're gonna want to go right here and gently pull the piece out. If there's I don't think there's a little like a button system to unlock it. It just seems like a pull. You're just gonna want to pull it out gently up. There you go. Look at that. And then you're gonna want to get this other part there taken out. And because of the screws, they're just holding this piece in, so it's gonna come out just like that. And it looks fine to me. I mean, I don't know. Maybe there's missing right here a little ball joint. I don't think that would have affected. That's to hold in the disc. I don't know, maybe it's just gone tired or something, but this is the old one. And they do show on some of them, there is a plastic cover that would go on. You would take it off, but I guess this one doesn't have one. So put that down. Let's get this other one out. Brand new. You wanna make sure you buy one that has a long ribbon cable. I've heard that some people get one that's short. Some of the configurations will be different, like the one I saw online is here. Mine's over here, so you're gonna wanna make sure it's long enough to reach. And so you're gonna get that cable out. Be gentle about it. You gotta find where they placed it. So right here, this had the cable. You're gonna make sure to take the cable out, and you're gonna wanna reuse it. So you're gonna flip it over, Make sure if there's that plastic case that yours has, put it back on after this part. You can see the cable is right here. Just being gentle about it, gingerly. Oh man, which way did it go in? I think it's only gonna go in one way, really. Yeah, it only goes in. You could tell by there's a notch. There's a notch in it. And you're gonna see right there. Right in there, you wanna get this cable out from the other one. You wanna put it in here. Just slide it on in. It only goes in one way. Make sure it's in there firm. Now you wanna get your disk drive. Make sure you get that cable that's long enough. And I don't know, maybe should it go on the outside or the inside? I guess it'll go like that. Make sure you got enough slack for it. Goes right on in. Suspension. I'll put this back in. Like that, new one, and make sure it goes in only one way. It looks like it goes in like this. There you go, it slipped in. And if you want, you could clean up your system. I don't know what happened to this one. There's just junk, dirty, but it is like what, 30 years old system. Make sure everything is good. Dust it off, you make sure everything is good. The old one you could put away, and if you want to keep it, you could put it in there. Now you get the case, and you want to just make sure you slide it back on like that. Now hold it firmly, the two pieces, and you want to put the screws back in. There you go. And we just put them in. And there you go. Your PS1 is all ready to use and to play games. Now let's go try it out. Now you got your PlayStation all hooked up, you put your game in, you close it, you have everything connected, and now you turn it on and see if it works. And I did notice that this disc tray does make a bit different noise than the other one, but all that matters is that it works and I'm able to play the games, and that's what really matters to you too. So at this point, this is where it would stop working with the old Laserdisc, but look at that. It has gone through, it has made its noise, and the game plays. So that is awesome. We're able to get it work. And honestly, the part wasn't that bad of a price. Just check it out in the link in the description if you haven't already bought it or you just want to look at it, how to fix it. It is a quick fix. You can do this just with some simple things and watch the video and you could get it fixed. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to consider subscribing if you're not already. And yeah, stick around for other videos like this and other gaming videos and tech videos. I'll see you guys around. Bye.